Yes, hello everyone. Okay, today is 7th March 2020, and my name is Simon Peter, and I will be taking you guys through uh, something small uh, in the Roy Club community. We have different tasks that we perform, and I'm just going to be showing you how to customize some of the tasks that you do, like for example for the photo tasks, and so that you can be able to create something awesome out of it. So I use a software called Gimp. Gimp is an open source software which you can find online, and it has both versions for all operating systems. You can find for the Windows computers, and you can also find for the Mac OS computers and even Linux. So Gimp is a good tool that you can use for editing your videos, and that's what I use. So I'll be showing you guys just something small on how you can customize. So we've all seen this, and in Roy Club, we're always talking about how we should be cautious about scammers out in the market there. So I'm gonna just pick something small, using a tool called Nightshirt to just get a screenshot of this, because we're gonna use this and we're gonna customize it so that we can be able to use it as one of. So I'm gonna save it in my folder called Roy Club, and I'm going to call it test logo. All right, so let's save it and we shall go and find it later. All right, so let's go back to Gimp. So my Gimp is already open, and basically the way it works in the Mac OS is the same way it works in the Windows computer. So more or less the same steps that you will see here are the same steps that you will follow along even on the Windows computers. So we'll find our test logo. Where is it? So you can pick it. This is our image we just cut out. So I'm going to throw it onto, yes, then I'm going to convert that. All right, so here we go. So in order to minimize, you just press the minus button to make it smaller, or in order to zoom in, you just press, on Mac OS you press shift and the plus sign to increase it so that we can clearly see what we're doing. So what we want to do is remove out the gray background that you see here and just leave mainly the logo bit, and then the Roy Club bit of it. All right, so let us first see how our document actually looks like currently. Yeah, test logo. Yeah, so let's see, just so that you guys can get a feel of how. So currently this is how it looks like. So at the end of it, we want our image to be able to blend with the photo that it's placed in. So we'll remove all this black so that it can just blend in. All right, so let's go back to Gimp and let's finish up our editing. So we're gonna select this tool. This tool is called the Fuzzy Select tool, and it enables you to select an area of the image that you want to remove. All right, so you can also do multiple selections, but most cases, once you just click on the image like this, it kind of like selects some bits. All right. So on Mac, as I'm using a Mac, in order to delete, you would first go and check the layer. Then you go to transparency. So in case it add alpha was still wasn't grayed out, you would select that before you go and delete the background. So since it's already selected, so that means this is okay. So I'm going to come back, select, and then I'll press function delete. All right. So as you can see, yeah, some have been deleted, but we still need certain areas to go. All right. So we keep on refining it. Now we keep on refining it until we see everything that we want off. All right. So you will keep on refining, yeah, until everything that we want is off. Okay. So keep on moving that. So basically we just keep on editing until we have something that is like perfect, the way like we want it. All right. So okay. So basically that is like it, and I'm sure this is going to be okay, and yeah. So let us first leave it for now at that point, and let us see like how it looks like so far. All right. So it's not looking like perfect, but let us override that, and then we see how it looks within our photo here. All right. So as we can see, it has really changed, though of course it needs some fine tuning, but I just wanted you guys to get to know how you can do that. So you would get back to the application and continue fine tuning until you produce something that is beautiful, that is clear, and that it can easily be seen just like this. So that is it, guys. I hope just continue like learning and trying out the software. It's really amazing, and you can be able to make your videos quite awesome. But otherwise, guys, you should be a part of us and see that you can also be here and able to earn something from participating within the Roy Club community. Otherwise, guys, Simon Peter, and thank you.